Welcome back to my channel where we have a very exciting topic for you today. The 3 psychological secrets that will make him completely obsessed with you. We all want to be desired and loved deeply by the person we have a crush on. But sometimes it takes a little bit of extra effort to win their heart. With these 3 psychological secrets, however, you can turn the tables and make him crave your attention, your love, and your affection like never before. But what are these secrets, you may wonder? In this video, we will delve into the fascinating realm of attraction psychology. From grasping the significance of positive reinforcement to mastering the art of intrigue, we'll explore the primal allure of sexual attraction. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Number 1. Positive reinforcement in relationships. The power of positive reinforcement lies in its ability to create a positive and uplifting environment for both partners. It involves acknowledging and rewarding your partner for their good behavior, even if it seems small and insignificant. For instance, if your partner did something thoughtful for you, like cooking your dinner, thanking them and showing appreciation can go a long way in encouraging them to do it again in the future. Positive reinforcement can also be used to strengthen positive behaviors that you would like your partner to exhibit more. For example, if you would like your partner to communicate better, acknowledging and praising them every time they open up to you can help them become more comfortable expressing themselves. It's essential to note that positive reinforcement should be genuine and not artificial. Your partner will be able to tell the difference between manipulation and genuine appreciation. Inauthentic behavior can lead to resentment and potential damage to the relationship in the long run. Number 2. Mystery in relationships. In psychological terms, the mystery can be seen as a form of uncertainty that creates a sense of curiosity and interest. It is the same principle that applies when someone offers a puzzle or a riddle, which creates an urge to solve it. One reason why mystery works in relationships is because it helps to create a sense of anticipation and excitement. It is what makes the first date nerve-wracking and thrilling at the same time. By keeping a level of uncertainty, you can make the other person more eager to get to know you better, and this can lead to a deeper connection. But how exactly can this be accomplished? One approach is the idea of limiting communication and not always being available. By taking some time for yourself and not responding immediately to every message or phone call, you can create a sense of anticipation and excitement in your partner. However, it is important to note that the mystery should only be applied to certain aspects of the relationship, such as your past experiences or your hobbies. It should not be used to hide important aspects of your personality or your intentions. Complete openness and honesty are essential for a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Number 3. Sexual attraction. Sexual attraction is a powerful force that is developed in the brains of both men and women. It's a primal instinct that is shaped by various factors, including genetic makeup, environment, and personal experiences. When it comes to developing sexual attraction, it's important to understand that men and women are wired differently. For men, sexual attraction is linked to visual stimulation. This means that the way you present yourself can have a huge impact on whether a man will be attracted to you or not. Dressing in a way that highlights your curves, wearing a little bit of makeup to enhance your natural features, and being comfortable in your own skin are all ways to increase your sexual attraction. Now, let's talk about something that might surprise you: the sense of smell. Surprisingly, your scent can have a substantial impact on attracting men. Studies have found that men are particularly drawn to a woman's natural fragrance during her ovulation phase. This is due to the higher levels of estrogen produced during this time, which enhances her body odor, making her more appealing to men. Sexual attraction is a powerful tool that you can use to make the man of your dreams completely obsessed with you. By cultivating this psychological awareness, you'll be on your way to creating an irresistible level of sexual attraction. So, there you have it, the 3 psychological secrets to make him obsessed with you. Remember, it's not about manipulation, but about understanding human psychology and using it to nurture a deeper connection with your partner. These secrets can help you become more appealing and can significantly enhance your relationship. And as always, we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried any of these techniques? Have they worked for you? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep shining your light and never give up on love.